Hello YouTube, this is Dazza the Cameraman. Today is April 30th, 2023, and this video is a warning about fake Facebook pages pretending to be the likes of Google, verified pages, etc. And this is one example. You can see in this sponsored Facebook advert, this page claims to be a Google page, Google AI, and you can see that it's even got the blue verified tick. Facebook confirmed that this profile is authentic. Let's take a closer look. I'm going to open this out in a new tab so that we can see the page itself without leaving this post. So here is the same page opened out, same sponsored advert, and even the URL says google.bard.ai2. But one thing that we can do to check to see if this is a genuine Google page is to click on the profile photo and step through them and see what we can find. So let's just click through and hello, who's this? And we keep seeing photos of the same lady here. And some people might recognize who this person is. But as we step through, we soon find some information which helps us identify who this person is. And this is Miss Pooja, a famous Indian singer. And this was previously used as a fan page for some time. There's a lot of photos of Miss Pooja. And this profile, or this page, has been repurposed to be used as a fake Google page. Now, if you do click on this link in the sponsored advert, which Facebook has allowed, you will likely end up installing malware on your computer. So be warned. Thank you for watching.